today. We're going to learn the names of some yummy fruits. Are you ready? Let's go! What is this? It's a pineapple. Can you say pineapple? Great job! Let's spell it together. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. Look at this. It's a grapes. Can you say grapes, grapes? Awesome. Now, let's spell it. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes, grapes. What do we have here? Strawberry. Can you say strawberry, strawberry? Well done. Let's spell it together. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry, S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y, strawberry. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. Strawberry.